got that crusty cash. You know your boy had to cop every SpongeBob skin. Got Patrick, Plankton, Mr. Krabs, and Sandy. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. We're just gonna get some missions done. Let's play Surge for now. Then we'll do Leon. See if we got any of our homies. Oh. Well, he don't want to join. If you ever want to play with me, give me your ID in the chat so I can, in the comments, so I can add you and play with you. Oh, I'm so bad right now. Oh my gosh, auto aim is not giving me. Don't use auto aim in Brawl Stars. Ooh, she hurts, she hurts. Alright, that's one mission done. Now we just gotta go play Leon. Ooh, I don't know if we should do the Dino. We'll do Dino Leon. I kind of like the Shark Leon, though. Let's see here. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Get out of here, boy. I'd say Leon's pretty underrated. He's too good to be called trash. Oh my gosh. Brock is kind of crazy, not gonna lie. My Brock wasn't very good. We'll play ranked after this video. I'll make another video tonight, probably. Play some ranked. I need a rank grind. I don't play ranked enough. Oh, I'm playing with literal bots. That's crazy. Oh, he's not a bot. Oh, he's not a bot. That was close. Oh no. You thought I was coming around? He thought I was coming around the other side. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? What are you doing, boy? Easy dubs. My teammate died 3 times. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, and we're also gonna have the Squidward skin eventually. That one's coming in a while, actually. We're only level 38. Pushing for 46. Let's get at least the first Squidward skin, and then we can work our way up. Ashley invited me. Oh, sorry, Gray. Oh, you're so bad. Come on, Gray. There you go. This dude's kind of crazy, not gonna lie. Oh, it's a Poco. I thought that was a freaking someone else. This dude is scaring me. GG's. We'll finish these missions up later.